So welcome back, guys and girls. So I'm in Munich. It's my last day here. I've been staying with Roland and he's been so great. He's let me sleep in his bed while he's been on the couch. Great guy, amazing. And so today I've got about a 3-hour ride. I've been here for about 8 days or something like that. And my bike's all serviced, oil change, new mirror, all that stuff. And I'm heading east. My destination is in Austria, but I'll only be in Austria for by about 100 metres, because I'm staying in a small little town, and right next to a river, and the river is a boundary between Germany and Austria. So I'll be travelling through Germany today, Bavaria area district, and spending a night in Austria, then back into Germany and heading towards Czechoslovakia or Czechia or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I'm just packing my gear up, and we're going down to a rest home just down the road a little bit. We've been going there every day for lunch. It's a rest home that has a restaurant, and the restaurant is open to the public. So I've been getting sort of home cooked meals every lunchtime, every day since I've been here, and all for about €7 or so. So I'm just packing my gear up. We're going to go have some lunch and then I'll set off. Can't book in till 4:30. It's coming up to 12 o'clock. So I'll have some lunch and then I'll be away by 1 o'clock and get to my destination at 4:30, I suppose. So yeah, it's not too bad. It's about 19 degrees. Oh, bit of blue sky out there. So yeah, ready to get on the road again after my little stop in Munich. It's been great. Quick little stop in the country here. Got about an hour and a half to go. I'm about halfway, I suppose, just about halfway. Yeah, so just stopped in a small town, changed my GoPro battery. Yeah, so you see all those roads blocked off there, and this is the boundary of Germany and Austria. Austria's over the other side. So what's happened is Germany's had elections, they've got a right-wing government come in, and they're stamping down on immigration at the borders, so they're yeah, keeping an eye on the borders, I suppose. So I think I'll have to go over that bridge. I've usually got my passport in my pocket, but I don't, it's in my bag, so I may have to, if I get stopped going across the bridge, then I might have to pull my bags out and find my passport for them. But yeah, I've only got about 8 kilometres to my hotel, so just about there. So I made it to my hotel in Wernstein am Inn, just over the Austrian border. Yeah, this is about $40, 40 euros, 41 euros. Yeah, it's quite nice. But yeah, right next to the river. Just had a meal downstairs. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah, I had one beer, and that's enough for me today. So I'm just going to chill out, and then tomorrow we're off to Czechoslovakia. So, Germany at the end of this bridge. Austria, end of this bridge.